Consider a long, straight current carrying conductor having circular cross section of radius a. मीन्स इसका जो क्रॉस सेक्शन है वो सर्कुलर है और उसका रेडियस a है. Let it is carrying current I which is uniformly distributed over the area. Now P is any point outside this conductor where I have to find the magnetic field due to this current carrying conductor. Now draw an Amperian loop in circular form which will encircle this current carrying conductor. This distance, that is radius, is a, and this one is r1. Now applying Ampere's circuitous law, that is line integral of magnetic field, that is integral B dot dl equal to mu naught I. If magnetic field is constant over a Amperian loop, then this can be also be written as BL equal to mu naught I, where I is the current enclosed by the Amperian loop and L is the length of the Amperian loop. Now B equal to mu naught upon L into I. If R1 is the radius of the circular Amperian loop, then the value of L equal to 2 pi R1, that is B equal to mu naught upon 2 pi I upon R. If you are taking R1 as a R, then B equal to mu naught upon 2 pi I by R. Here B is inversely proportional to R. Right. When you are calculating magnetic field outside the current carrying conductor which is infinitely long and straight. Now we are going to calculate magnetic field inside the conductor, that is at the point P dash. Right. Now draw Amperian loop which will pass through the P dash and it will be circular form of radius R2. Now apply Ampere's circuitous law, integral B dot dl equal to mu naught I. But in this case, this Amperian loop is not enclosing current I. It is something different than I. Why? Because I is the current which is distributed in area pi a square. That is, in pi a square, current is I. In unit area, current is I upon pi a square. Right. Now, in area, pi R2 square. Right. Current will be I dash equal to I upon pi a square into pi R2 square. This and this cancel. That is I dash equal to R2 square divided by A square into I. That is integral B dot dl equal to mu naught R2 square by A square into I. Since magnetic field is constant over Amperian loop, this will be B L equal to mu naught I R2 square by A square. L is what? Circumference of Amperian loop. L equal to 2 pi R2. That is B into 2 pi R2 equal to mu naught I R2 square divided by A square. Cancel out this and this. What you will get? B equal to mu naught upon 2 pi I R2 by A square. That is, final result is B equal to mu naught upon 2 pi R2 by A square into I. If you are replacing R2 by R, then B equal to mu naught upon 2 pi R by A square into I. That is, B is directly proportional to R. Now what we are getting? Case first. If R is less than 1, A. If R is less than A, in that case, B is directly proportional to R. Yes, this is current carrying conductor and current is uniformly distributed over the area. अगर आप मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इस कंडक्टर के अंदर निकाल रहे हैं, उस केस में B will be directly proportional to R. यानी सेंटर से जितना आप दूर जाओगे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड बढ़ता जाएगा. That is, this is the B, this is R. When you are moving in outward direction, सेंटर से बाहर की तरफ जा रहे हो, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड बढ़ता जाता है. Now, if R is greater than A, अब आप इस कंडक्टर से बाहर निकल गए. In that case, B is inversely proportional to R. जब आप उस कंडक्टर के बाहर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड निकालोगे तो B will decrease with increasing distance and you will get distance.